Hello everyone. Today is going to be a brochure tour of the 1985 Chrysler Fifth Avenue. Alright, as you can see on the front cover, very 80s, has this dark maroon gradient finish to it with the gold edging, gold typeface, and then you have a silver car here. And then we're going to open up the first page here. Oh boy, it is a peach, that is for sure. First of all, those seats look incredibly comfortable. Got that overstuffed, button-tucked leather to it. It looks almost like a lawyer's office. And I know for a fact that those seats were incredibly comfortable. And here is a full page spread, over 2 pages actually, of the silver card that we saw on the front cover. Alright. And of course, 80s brochures wouldn't be complete without the Olin Mills looking kind of fogged over photography here. The complete traditional luxury car. Chrysler's little blurb about it. Alright, another little spread here over a page and a third of a white Fifth Avenue. And look, those wheels are nice, actually. Look at those wheels. I like that look of it. I can't stand these Landau tops, but they look nice back then, maybe. And then over here on this page is a dark blue button-tucked velour. Same seat design, just a different material. Alright, and here is some features and options here. So first of all is a really nice looking dashboard. I just don't like these steering wheels. I wish they would have done something different. But what I do like is all the satin aluminum trim here across everywhere. So you have it on the radio and climate control bezel. You have it over here on the light panel controls, and then on the passenger air vent controls. I love that. And the gauges are pretty classic looking. Sparse, but they're classic. Here is an option showing the moonroof. This is a 5-band graphic equalizer, AM/FM tape player with Dolby noise reduction and a digital display. You have a multi-function control here with your cruise controls, and of course illuminated vanity mirrors, always a nice touch. And we have all of our colors: crimson red crystal coat, mink brown, cool gold dusk, night watch blue, gunmetal blue, that's nice looking actually, radiant silver, white crystal coat, and black crystal coat, which actually had gold flakes in it. Down here is an entire list of options that could be had, including all the protection packages and groups. You have your dimensions and capacities here, interior trim options here, warranty information, kind of that thing. And then your engine type, 8-cylinder V8, obviously. 5.2 liters or 318 cubic inches. Has a bore and stroke. Compression ratio of 9:1 compression at 144 horsepower. They were really working hard to get that little horsepower out of a 318. That is, oh man, they were choked so bad because of that stupid cafe stuff. Anyway, 3-speed automatic. And here is the back page, kind of a why buy, and a little blurb about Chrysler itself from Lee Iacocca. Alright, that does conclude our brochure walkthrough of the 1985 Chrysler Fifth Avenue. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews, and our Instagram channel at BrensoJ1. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.